It's been a few months since we last checked in on our bridge replacement project in Milledgeville on US 441 business over Fishing Creek, and I must say, things look a lot different out here right now. You can see the old bridge has been completely demolished, and crews have made a lot of progress building structures for the new bridge. A lot of those bents are getting into place. They've been pouring a lot of concrete as of late. And then if you spin the camera around, you can see on the other side, a lot of dirt has been moved as well. This bridge is actually going to be taller than the bridge that was here before. So to accommodate that, they're raising the road up, and to support all that extra dirt and the taller road, they're building some retaining walls, and you can see construction of that also ongoing. So very active work site out here as of late. Again, remember, they're planning on having this road back open to you by February, and it's looking like they still are on schedule to achieve that. So in the meantime, please continue following the detour signs and be safe out there, everyone. Thanks.